Shwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jylla.
La pelong ya ke Rakhe ya ke International Day of Persons with Disabilities la ni ke Sngi jong ki Briew dan Jingduna ki Dkhot men hak lai trek uno pra hajar pu Soso Tham Auditorium Shillong. Kapang hak Rakhe ya ke Sngi mta usnem kalong halor ko transformative solutions for inclusive development, the role of innovation in fueling an accessible and equitable world. Ukong san hakate ke jingalang ubadai ru menteri badai pet ya ketenat social welfare Ma Kyrmen Shylla ula pelat pat ba ek program of rehabilitation of persons with disabilities FPRPD scheme and ke YouTube channel haringkat ke jingalang lang secretary ketenat social welfare u IW Inti ke commissioner jangka office ki person with disabilities ke SB Marak Project Director ke SRCDA but ubalong ru State Coordinator ke Civil Hospital Shillong Dr. NP Lalu but kiwe ki nong sha khot ngopha shakati jingalang lapani pat baru ya ka jingring dor balingkot da ka SRCDA bal pelaj ru hakate Sngi ya ka CRC Shillong website. Hak jingkren Jong Ma Kyrmen Shylla lo ong baka sorkar jylla kala shim khia halor ki mat ki kynthup the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 pat ko bay nakikam ya kabaka sorkar klale kalong kajin pentrekam ya ka Accessible India campaign hakaba itu ya artliki opus sorkar hapo ke AIC1 but prap santlik website jong ki sorkar bapher ya ki balapli pat ba dangshen. Ma Kyrmen Shylla la kentu ye upat ba banyak lang buat ki bor sorkar ban wan ra ikajing pentrekam bertemai lemba ki kor ki bor nang ba on la ban kinti bat penyerengkat langi ki Briew dan kajing Jingduna hak Dkhot met bat kiwe kebebet babiang hak jylla Meghalaya ke sorkar kala pentrekam ya buon ki skim nak benta kita ki lemba katna social welfare bat kiwe la yutu Ma Shylla.
Felicitated on the occasion of the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. She is the resign behind the proper functioning and successful Briew district. She is felicitated on the occasion of the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. She is the resign behind the proper functioning and successful operation for the rehabilitation of persons, a counsellor, resource person who has helped impart integrated training and immediate assistance to children with special needs. She is felicitated on the occasion of International under the Standing Men 80 kg Hearing Impaired category. Is felicitated on the occasion of the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. He is the pride of the state who clearly delineated his great skill and strength on the occasion of the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. She is the reason behind the proper functioning and successful Day of Persons with Disabilities. He is the reason behind the proper functioning and successful operation for the rehabilitation of persons with disabilities in the bloc.
To have this opportunity to be in the midst of this prestigious gathering, to partake in this special occasion. Today, Meghalaya, along with the rest of the world, is observing International Day for Persons with Disabilities 2022. The aim of observing this day each year is to increase the awareness and understanding of disability issues and the benefits to be derived from the integration of people with a disability in every aspect of life. This year's International Day of Persons with Disabilities shines light on the role of innovation in fueling an accessible and equitable world. I urge every one of us, let us work together in finding innovative solutions to build an accessible and equitable world for all. Innovation and technology can be powerful tools for inclusion. They can enhance access to information, education, and lifelong learning, and they can open new avenues for persons with disabilities to participate in the workforce and society at large on an equal basis. To make our society accessible and inclusive for persons with disabilities, the state government has taken action on various provisions of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, and one of the most important actions is the implementation of Accessible India campaign, in which 21 identified government buildings under AIC1 and 85 government websites have been made accessible. There are many schemes and programs offered by the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, which are directly aimed for the upliftment, rehabilitation, and empowerment of persons with disabilities, so as to encourage them to lead a life of independence, hope, and fulfillment. In Meghalaya, several schemes are being implemented for persons with disabilities through the Social Welfare Department and other allied departments. There are the scholarship schemes, uniform grants, unemployment allowance, provision of aids and appliances, conveyance allowance, the Chief Minister Assistance Pensions Scheme to the persons with disabilities, the meritorious scholarship, and several others. Recently, the state government has enhanced the Chief Minister Pension schemes from 500 to 750 per month with effect from October 2022. And so far, 14,287 persons with disabilities have been benefiting. The state government has also enhanced the unemployment allowance from 1,000 to 1,500 and has also provided grant in aid to special educators working in special schools. We have just witnessed the unveiling of the Meghalaya program of rehabilitation of persons with disabilities schemes and YouTube channel. Release of CRC Shillong website have also brought out the brochures of the Meghalaya Sign Bank app, which is a variety of the Indian Sign Language, which was launched during the observation of International Day of PWDs on the 3rd of December 2018. To to move towards an inclusive society. Sign language should be made available to bridge the communication gap, and I am sure the Meghalaya Sign Bank app will serve as the language to reach out to the widest section of the society. With the shared dedication and tireless effort of the officers of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities and the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, Meghalaya has attained another feat of reaching number one in the country with regards to the implementation of the UDID project. I therefore invite my friends with disabilities to visit our district civil hospital, district social welfare officers, district resource center on disability affairs, and district UDID offices.